Located in Michigan's beautiful Upper Peninsula, Holland Lake State Forest Campground is about a 30-minute drive north of Newberry. Come along with us. You won't want to miss this ORV friendly Upper Peninsula campground tour.
Pretty Lake State Campground down that road. Holland Lake State Campground right here. Do a quick tour. You basically got two loops. Here's where you pay right when you come in. As of today, $20 a night. Sites 1 to 9 to the right. There's a few on the water, not many. This one, like site number 1, is small. There's some extra parking, 2 vault toilets in here, pretty clean. A lot of little paths and cut throughs. And here's site 2. You can see again, not bad, but it goes right against the road. This is an ORV friendly campground. Site 3 is nice. So when I show you here in a second, ORV friendly, you can ride around on it. Also, there's trails coming right in and out. So site 4, right there, 6, 5. Right next to site 4, you can see that there's the trail. So here's just a quick, this is a big park. Just a quick scenery. There's site 7. And then there's a good 100, 200 foot, like, just open space. Some garbages. Open space is still going. And there's site 8. Site 8's really nice. We have our kayaks, that's where we are. Plenty of room. Site 9 next to it. Pretty unkept. You know, in a pinch it'll work, but not the greatest. That's the first loop. So again, right there's where we came in. And then we're going around. So that if you came in and went to the left instead of to the right, you're in your second loop. So you have another vault toilet. There's some garbages. Then a couple of sites up here. It's a warm day. So we're getting a lot of bugs right now. There's site 10. There is the water. So a lot of these rustic campgrounds, no electric, does have the water. Right there's hand pump. They say it's potable. There's site 10. Site 11. So these ones are kind of on the water as well. Site 12. There. See, site 13's not bad. You got room for parking, set your tent up and all that. It's not on the water, but you know, it's a nice place to pit stop. And in here looks to be site 14. Let's get a look at it. We're almost done with taking our quick tour around. Coming back out to the way we just came in. So as of filming this, I'm going to go back around. That's where we came out for the first loop. Here's site 15. This is 15 sites. That is a little one. No fire pit or nothing, so that's in a pinch. You got to take it, you got to take it. There's where we paid, there's where we went in, and here we are back out. Small little campground, really nice. Very nice. Holland Lake State Forest Campground.
Holland Lake offers great opportunities for off-road riders with 15 campsites. The Pine Ridge Trail and Two Hearted Trail has over 85 miles for your riding enjoyment. ORVs can be ridden right from your campsite to access these trails, as well as several other seasonal roads and routes. Amenities include vault toilets, water from a hand pump well, and garbage receptacles. Holland Lake also offers opportunities for paddle sports and fishing. Sites are available on a first-come, first-served basis. The air seems cleaner, time moves a bit slower, and the beer even tastes just a touch better. Thank you for coming along with us. We hope to see you on the trails or camping. Remember to always be respectful to other campers and riders.